Once upon a time in the quaint village of Eldoria, there lived a young girl named Alara. Alara was known for her adventurous spirit and insatiable curiosity. One day, while exploring the dense forest that bordered the village, she stumbled upon an ancient, mysterious-looking door hidden among the trees. Intrigued, Alara hesitated for a moment before pushing the door open. To her surprise, she found herself in a magical realm filled with vibrant colors and fantastical creatures. The air was thick with enchantment, and the ground beneath her feet seemed to pulse with energy. As Alara delved deeper into this extraordinary world, she discovered that it held the key to unlocking her latent magical abilities. The creatures she encountered became her friends and mentors, guiding her through the intricacies of spellcasting and potion-making. Alara's once ordinary life now brimmed with magical wonders. However, the newfound magic came with a price. Eldoria was facing a looming threat from a dark force that sought to extinguish the magic within the realm. Alara realized that she was the only one who could stand against this impending darkness and save her village. Armed with her newfound powers and accompanied by her magical companions, Alara set out on a quest to confront the dark force. Along the way, she faced numerous challenges, including treacherous landscapes, cunning adversaries, and tests of her newfound abilities. As Alara neared the source of the darkness, she discovered the ancient prophecy that foretold her arrival. According to the prophecy, Alara held the key to not only defeating the dark force, but also restoring balance to the magical realm. The fate of Eldoria hung in the balance as Alara stood before the ominous dark force. The final battle was fierce, with spells and counterspells echoing through the air. In a moment of sheer determination, Alara summoned all her magical strength and cast a spell that banished the darkness once and for all. With the dark force defeated, Eldoria was saved, and the magical realm flourished anew. Alara returned to her village, a hero celebrated by all. The once hidden door in the forest disappeared, leaving no trace of the magical world behind. Questions. 1. In the dense forest of Eldoria, what initially caught Alara's attention and led her to discover the mysterious door? 2. As Alara stepped through the door, what magical wonders and fantastical creatures awaited her in the hidden realm? 3. How did Alara's life transform as she embraced her newfound magical abilities and formed bonds with the creatures that became her friends and mentors? 4. What challenges did Alara face as she delved deeper into the magical realm, and how did these challenges contribute to her growth as a character? 5. What revelation did Alara come across regarding the looming threat to Eldoria? And how did she realize her pivotal role in confronting the impending darkness? 6. As Alara set out on her quest to save Eldoria, what were some of the obstacles she encountered, and how did her magical companions assist her along the way? 7. In the face of the dark force, what did Alara learn about the ancient prophecy that foretold her arrival, and how did this knowledge impact her resolve? 8. Describe the final battle between Alara and the dark force. What spells and strategies did she employ to triumph over the imminent threat to Eldoria? 9. With the dark force banished and Eldoria saved, how did the village and its inhabitants react to Alara's return? How did her hero's journey influence the community? 10. Reflecting on Alara's adventures, what lessons did she learn throughout her magical journey, and how did her experiences alter the course of her life in Eldoria?